Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dynamite and today we are going to be unboxing the new Samsung Note 10 Plus 5G. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here we have the box for the Note 10 5G. Lovely pencil embossed on the outside, or pen, whichever you prefer. It's got the name of the phone, 5G version. Pretty standard on the outside, to be honest. In here we've got some of the information, but I'll put a stock image up on the screen for that. Just tells you what it can do, specs of the phone, and at the bottom it's got your IMEI and things like that. Okay, moving on. So unfortunately the cellophane has already been taken off. That was done in the shop. Sorry about that. So let's see. Straight away in there, can you see? Got the Samsung box, and in here, what do we have? Here's the little pin for taking your SIM card tray out, and in here we have all the paper that goes along with it. A quick start guide, warranty card, regional lock guide, how to transfer content to your new Galaxy phone. Let's keep that out because I'll be needing that shortly. So, a bit of specs about the phone. It's got a 6.8-inch display, 77mm by 162 by 7.9. It's IP68 water resistant. It's got a 256GB internal memory. There is a 512GB available, and on the Plus model you can expand that up to 1TB. Remove the aux lead or headphone jack, whichever you prefer to call it, which I'm not overly happy about, but I do already have some wireless headphones, so not a massive issue for me, you know. So moving on, it's got the S Pen in the bottom, which ejects like so. Bright blue. I thought they would have matched it to the colour here, but I guess not. I'll go into the S Pen a bit later. Cameras, so we have the 16 megapixel wide, ultra wide, the 12 megapixel wide, the 12 megapixel telephoto, and then on the Pro, this here is, I don't know if you can see that properly, this is another lens that is a depth of vision lens. It's only the Pro that has this. So moving on. What else do we get in the box? We have a little Samsung card that covers everything up here. We have a 25-watt charging brick. Not too bad in the hand. Got safety warnings on it, and so on. And here we have a little OTG adapter. Useful if you've got USBs that you like to carry around. Very useful. Is that everything in there? Yeah, that's everything in there. So next we have this, which is the cable for it. Oh, comes with a micro USB to USB-C adapter. Oh, very useful. And then here we have the, oh, is that USB-C to USB-C? Interesting. USB-C to USB-C. Very useful. Headphones. The AKG were in my last Samsung and I was very pleasantly surprised. These are, of course, can you see in there? USB-C adapter. So unfortunately, Samsung users, you can no longer mock Apple for that. It is gone. It will not be coming back. Anything else left in the box? Right, that is the end of the box. So just a quick talk about some of the other things on here that I really liked. So with this depth of field camera, that gives you the ability to do 3D scans. So you can, let's say, get this box, 3D scan this box, and you can send it to a 3D printer to print it, which I think is is turned like the screen off mode, you can sort of jot down notes, and then when you open it, it will save whatever you've written. It's like an old school notepad, if you remember those. I think that would be really useful. I feel like I will use that a lot. The pen also has the gestures control and things like that. You can use it, so for example, if you make a gesture like this, you can zoom in on the photo. If you make a gesture like this, it will zoom back out. That could potentially be very useful. It could potentially be very annoying. I'm not sure yet. I've not used it. It's the first time I've had a phone with a pen for about 15 years. What else do we need to go over? The one cool thing that I thought was really good, and it very much borrowed from like the GoPro kind of things, it's got super smooth video stabilization in it. So when you're taking a video, if you're moving around a lot and jostling, it will keep that video really still. I can't wait to test that. Last feature to do with video that I think is really cool, but I'm not sure how much I will use it. You can zoom in on specific sounds on a video. So when you're zooming in, you can click on the sound that's slightly off of shot, but if that's the sound you want to pick up, you can zoom in on that, and that'll be the audio that you pick up. So yeah, that is it for the unboxing and the tricks that are in the box. So doing a brief review, I loved this colour. This is the Aura Glow on the Note 10 Plus. I can't wait to try out the pen, especially the note features when the screen's off. I think that will be really useful for me. Final thing for me, I guess, will be the battery life. It's supposed to have a phenomenal battery life, but we'll have to wait and see on that. Last thing for me, the next video I'm looking at either doing the iPhone 11 Pro against this, and also doing an iPhone 11 Pro against an iPhone X or 10, whichever you want to call it. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!